JHF is well aware of this, which is why we have been manufacturing our main beams in-house for many years. Our entire machining process is rigorously controlled to ensure that the precision, mechanical elements of the guide rails and control systems are perfectly matched to the main beam during assembly. The machining precision of the assembly holes in JHF main beams is typically maintained at approximately 60 mu. This ensures a seamless fit between the assembly and guide rail holes, reducing movement errors and enhancing print precision. Furthermore, more precise main beam machining allows for more accurate component alignment, reducing error rates and failure rate. Thus, the little things are the real thing. The test of the true quality and performance of a machine is to see its spine, to understand its precipitation. In aspects that may have escaped your attention, JHF's products are quietly maintaining quality control for you.